Welcome to this. It's a 2006 Jeep Wrangler. It's the Golden Eagle. It is in here for a plethora of things, mostly refreshes. We've got new front and rear shocks, plugs, coil, front and rear brake pads and shoes. We're not going to get into all of it in one video here. We'll break it down into a couple. But for the purpose of this one, we're going to do the front brakes. Overall, pretty clean. I believe it has 118,000 miles on it. It's lacking in the duct department, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, let's go. All right, 19 millimeter on the lug nuts. We have wheel locks. Rest the caliper just a little bit. Okay. Give me just a little bit of room. And a hook. Up there for a second for me. Okay. Oh. A little longer for this. So I need a wire brush then. There we go. I want that one to stay while I compress the caliper. Hang there for a second. Made in an actually bigger C-clamp.
2 moments later.
We have bottomed out. Alright. Back up. All right. Our slides are still moving freely. I don't see any tears in the boots, so I am not going to mess with that. Let me get my... Alright. There's one. And I don't exactly... I hope this is... I didn't pay attention to that before. Well, let's just look at this one. Okay, this is what it took off there. Yeah. Okay, yeah, alright. Ouch, get my finger out of there. Where's my bar here? Well, I took that one just a little too far. Alright. Oh, wait, I get my new... Let's put your brand new pads and stuff on an old crappy rotor. Don't mind me. It's early and I have been dealing with allergies. Oh my goodness. Alright. I got a rotor over here somewhere. That's a drum rotor. There it is. Okay. And again, I've already cleaned this hub surface. I've cleaned this rotor. I've done all that stuff already. There we go. I guess you gotta have it in a sweet spot. All right. There we go. Be snugged up. And forward would be super. Alright. Let's find a torque spec. Here's one. Two. That doesn't seem like very much. There we go, that's a little better. Alright. Alright, driver's side done. And we'll go over on the passenger side and get it knocked out.